How to download Among Us on PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to the search box here and then type Microsoft Store. Now click open. And then you have to locate the search box again or the magnifying glass and then search Among Us. So once you found Among Us, all you have to do is to click. And then what you want to do next is to simply get this one from Microsoft Store. Now you have two options here. You can play with Game Pass. You can tap join now. But if you tap this one, you still need to purchase the specific amount right here. Okay? Or try this 14-day trial. But if you tap this buy for now, it will take you directly to the payment method. You just have to log in your account first and then purchase. Okay, and then the second method and how to download Among Us is to simply open your Steam application here. Okay, so type Steam and then go to store. Now locate the search box or this magnifying glass icon and then type Among Us. And yes, this is not for free. So you have to click this add to cart. And then you have two options. Either you purchase it for yourself or purchase it as a gift. Okay, click purchase for myself and then you can select your payment method here. We have PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on. Then once done, click continue. Let's just say you selected PayPal, so you have to press or click continue in order for you to proceed with your payment. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download Among Us on PC. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.